Good morning, guys. It's Sunday morning. Manilhig me. Look, daghan kayog mga sagot.
Enjoy ako.
Yeah, finish your breakfast. So, magkandos ni ani mga dahon. Asa mo, Soy? Manguha na sila tubig. Mo na lang namong kanduson ng that one. Kana, and that one. Mo na akong kauban na nilhig. We're gonna make it fast cause magluto pa mi for lunch. Today is Sunday, by the way. This is the advanced birthday celebration of Mama. So, pero manilhig sa amin. You know, this is because of the mask ni, or because of the face mask. Hi, BDAY. Good morning. Nika, naka? What's that? Guys, ASMR. Morning ASMR. Oh, grabe. Oy, don't go there. Where's Kuya? ASMR. I'm waiting for Justin kay ni inom pa siya tubig. Game is that? Granny. Mo na imong gipaduwa na ko gahapon. You know how to play it, Soy? Mo niya mga batang walay mga ligo.
Ali.
Bata 1. Bata 2. 1 nga wala po ligo.
Ako
Wesley.
Ako lagunit.
Ha? Wesley.
Ako lagunit.
Come here.
Ako lagunit. Okay.
Okay, we will finish this one together. Muna akong my two sisters. It's Sunday morning and it's Operation Linis. After that, we will head back home. Muna ang like back view sa ni auntie ug ni uncle. So mo mi dito the other house to help in preparing for lunch. Manilig ta. All right. Let's go. Yeah, remember that place, ang payag diri sa Luyo. Usually when all of us like families are gathered, ari may magtambay, like there's the mini bar there. Magkanta-kanta, magpatukar, then kids will be playing. That's actually in the old basketball court. Yeah, wala na kay ate man kay. Si mama na lang o si akong other sister ang naa diri. But it is maintained once in a while. Just like now, we're trying to clean the area. Ug naay bata nga adik og TikTok. What are you downloading? TikTok. Oh, that's me. Let me see. Ako man na. That's me. Let's cook spaghetti. Muna ni ang last menu nga among lutoon today. Then lunch na. Wait sa Sel. Kao na ka? That was my sister. Our youngest. Ay, nangayon na siya kaon, guys. Akong sister. Oh, wait sa. Eat na ta? Eat na ta. Hi, Inday. Hello. Hello. Hello, good afternoon. Good afternoon. Magluto ba ta? Ha? Rice is life. So, now we have rice, spaghetti. I know it's double carbohydrates. And then, kanisha, ano ni? Escabeche. Si mama nagluto ano. And this one is done by Kuya Michael. And we also have linatan. Sabak kay. Hi! saba kaya akong duha ka mga pagumangkon kay nag, oh my God, nay nag-bold. No, my favorite flavor ni mother. Happy 63rd birthday, Mama Ani. How old is Lola? 60. Oh, nagpagwapa pa nga mo ang inahan, guys. So, simple handaan lang. Thank you sa... Sige na, turaga mo ang birthday celebrant, guys. Si Mother Annie. Sige na, mga bata. Hala, uy, ang usaway, ligo. Dire, sige na. Money yung cake, guys. Thank you sa mga nag-sponsor. One, two, three, go! Happy birthday, Lola! Happy birthday! Again! Okay, one, balik. 1, 2, 3, go! Happy birthday! Oh, participation minus! Oh, happy birthday, Lola! Happy birthday, Lola! Oh, come here, guys! Happy birthday! Happy birthday! Happy birthday, Lola! Happy birthday, Lola Ani! Wish! Yay! Wala si Inday Isil. Nandito sa kusina, guys.
Few moments later.
Huh? Where's Diday? Diday? Come out. Diday! We just finished lunch. Ngit-ngit ang lighting dere. Unsa oras oy? 1:36 p.m. Alauna na. Asa si Uwa, soy? How old is Uwa? 24? Ganern. Happy 24th birthday. How old is Uwa na? 60? At 36 years old pa si Mama, guys. This one ba? Diday, where are you? There's a police. Get out there. Diday. What you doing? Faith? What you doing? Tuara. World War. World War 4. Soy. Gira na. How many points si Diday, Soy?
0.
Ikaw? 100. Monster. There's a monster inside the tent. I'm just kidding. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Who's that? You're Donna? What is that? What are you watching? Where's your certificate, Sai?
Huh?
Your certificate ba? Where is it? Oh, there. Canon is watching Simple Race. This is a cake from Chef's Table. Dapat sa Yes Fortuna. Huy! Don't use your hand. No! Yes Fortuna nito na, no? Oh, lami siya, guys. Dili siya tamis, guys. Chef's Table. Guys, look. I found some old copies of Byte magazine. I don't know what year was this. 2000... 2006 to 2010. I was in college back then. And murag mag-release na siya every month. So mangayo mi mangayo mi copy ani. Because this is free actually. It's in the scene of Cebu City. Or of Cebu. So it's amazing. I found, my copies before and very nostalgic, guys. So ako ding basa-basahon. Balik. Abog siya gamay. Pero that's okay. That's good. Niit na ka? Oh, what happened? Anong hubag man na imo mata, Anday? Ha? You cried? Ha? Kulo, ano yung mong baby, oy. Guys, this is my sister. This is our youngest. Our youngest sister. Maldita sister. She's Lisa. Hello. I already featured her in my other vlogs. Energy check sa mga kabataan karon. Yes, gipagduka na sila. What time is it? 6:45. Guys, time check. 5 minutes before 7. We're still here in Karkar, but we're getting ready to head back to the city. Kay trabaho pa may ugma. Cute kay siya, guys. This is not mine. Sa ako ng other sister, Korean. She uses this during her 51 talk teaching. Wala lang. Ako lang gigamit. 7 o'clock. We're about to go. Bilin mo. Kamong duha, bilin mo. No. Ang man, bless ka. Bye-bye na, be. Kiss ko, be. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Duka na ni siya, guys. Ah, imo ning kaon? Imo din ni. You wear ani? You will wear this? Ah, isa imo ning mama. Manguli na mi, guys. It's almost 8 in the evening. Where's the tripod? Hala. Wala ko'y bag. I don't have a bag. Ha? Baita. Nang chupin. Probably maabot mi sa city. Almost 10. Bilin man ka.
No.
Wala naman kay klase next week.
No,
Ah, nanginginag na ako.
Huh?
Nanginginag. Taas pa siya na ako. Oh my God. Happy birthday, ma. Mani si mama. 36 pa ni siya, guys. Single. Pamain. Nawa, karon pa mag-selfie pa doon na mo uli.
Walang gitas diday o.
Adiday. Video man eh. Picture pa sila, guys.
Mga BF.
Mga BFFs.
Timer man eh. Bye. Dugay kayo mo.
Karon pa nagpa-picture gabiin na. Bye na, Soy. Bless, be. Soy, bless. Bye-bye. Sleep na sa'yo, ha. Ngit-ngita na. Pwede na biyaan. Moon. Ten, tadadan, ngit-ngit. Asa, Enso? Bye, ma. Magminyo na ko, ma. Jock! Bye-bye. Bye, Jess. Guys, I'm here at the dorm now, walking. Guys, nana ko sa dorm, but I'll go back sa front. Mga kugawi. Or magpa-open ta ni ate guard. I'm already here in the city. That's it, guys. I'm already here at the dorm, back in the city now. Tomorrow is another full day at work. And I had a very wonderful, unforgettable weekend at the car together with my family. Thank you very much, guys, for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below any of your suggestions. And I will see you in my next vlog. Bye!